You're an engineer, a designer, focused on your next innovative design, brought to life in SOLIDWORKS. So you probably didn't wake up this morning thinking about cloud storage. Securely saving your data to the cloud isn't something you should need to worry about. With the 3D Experience platform integrated in SOLIDWORKS, you don't have to. All your references are captured, and you can save your design where you want, all while continuing to bring your ideas to life with a tool you love, without having to think about managing CAD relationships. In fact, you can spend less time thinking about a lot of things. What's the full impact a design change will have on other parts, assemblies, and drawings? Can I reorganize how this design is stored without having to close it first? How do I make sure I don't overwrite my team's work? With the CAD-aware storage available with cloud services, we take care of it, so you can focus your energy on what you love, design. And when you're not in front of SOLIDWORKS, you can still preview your designs, browse your design tree, and access your custom properties, all from a browser. You likely didn't wake up thinking about cloud storage, but it's ready and available for you to use. Take advantage of cloud services available with new and upgraded SOLIDWORKS subscriptions.